Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a discount message and a photo in the footer of your Woocommerce store using WordPress. Adding a visible discount in the footer is a simple but effective way to catch customers' attention and increase engagement. Keeping your promotion in the footer means customers always see your special offers while browsing products, viewing their cart, or checking out. This helps create urgency, encourages purchases, and can improve your conversion rate. Let's do this together. First, open your browser. Once your browser is open, go to woocommerce.com. Then, log into your account. After logging in, go to My Stores. You will be redirected to your stores. Click the store you want or select the store where you want to add a discount. When you are in your WordPress dashboard, go to Woocommerce, then to Coupons. After that, go back to Woocommerce and click on Settings. In the lower part of the General Settings, enable coupons. Just enable coupons. You can also turn on the option to calculate coupon discounts with the name. When you finish, save changes. Now, your site has a coupon and a discount. This is how we add a discount message in the footer of your Woocommerce store. This setup can make a big difference for your sales.